sent them out to the world. They seek their fortune. The first little pig was very lazy. Don't want to hurt all. He didn't want to work at all. He built with straws. He built his house without its straws. Little pig work little bit harder. He was so lazy too. Built his house without a sticks. Sang and dance and play. He sang and danced and play and dance and play. Song and dance and play. Together rest of the day. The third little pig worked hard all day. He built his house with bricks. It was a sturdy house complete. A fun fireplace with a chimney. It looks like a withstand. The strongest means. The strongest wins. Day, the wolf passed by the lane. Where the three little pigs lived. They saw the straw house. Smelled the pig inside. A pie. He thought the pig would make mighty fine meal. Smell come to water. He knocked on the door. He say, "Little pig, little pig, let me in. Let me in." No, 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 no. No. Here you go, no, 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 no.
Not.
But the chin, chin, chin.
Not by the hair.
No, the chin, chin, chin. A wolf saw his teeth and say, blow the house down. He huffed and puffed and blow the house down. Opened his jaws very wide. He bite down he hard as he could. First little pig escaped and ran away to hide with the second little pig. The road down the lane. He passed by the second house made of sticks. He saw the house and smelled the pigs. He mounted to get to water. He thought they found to find dinner. They will meet. He knocked on the door. He say,
Again.
"Little pig, little pig. Let me in." Little pig saw the wolf pointy ears through the kale. They answered that. No, no! No, no, no! No, no, no! He huffed and he puffed. He puffed and he huffed. He could not blow the house down. Last, he saw out of breath. That he couldn't huff. He couldn't puff anymore. Stopped the rest and felt a beat. No, 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 no. Run, run far away. The three little pigs live happily after.